How to do TikTok live. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, in order to go live on TikTok, you need to keep two things in mind. That the account associated with your TikTok account should have the age older than 18. That means you need to be 18 or older in order to be eligible to go live on TikTok. And the other requirement is that you should have 1,000 minimum followers on TikTok. So these are two requirements. If you do qualify these requirements, then you'll be able to go live on TikTok. So what you gotta do is, if you do lie under these categories, you gotta simply click on this plus icon over here, and then you'll be able to see a live option appear here at the right side of the post. You'll be able to see AI self, host, and live. Simply click on live and just go live. So if you do fall under these categories, you'll be able to see the live option. If you don't see the live option, then that means that either you're not older than 18 or your account doesn't have more than 1,000 followers. So that's basically how to do TikTok live. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.